Welcome back everybody to another video with Willie's Truck Life. Once again, I'm at Middle Cove Beach here in Newfoundland. Ah, what a beautiful scenery, eh? I'm not talking about the beach, I'm talking about these. I have my Bluetti AC180, and now, thanks to ICECO, they sent me out a fridge, and I'm so excited to have it. But today is not the day I'm going to be doing a review on it. That's for another video. We're here to do some cooking today, guys. So what's in the fridge? Let me show you what we're having today. Oh, it's so nice. It's so nice to have a fridge. 15 years without a fridge. So today, guys, what I'm baking today in my Dutch oven, we are going to be cooking up some pork tenderloin. And for our vegetables, we have some Brussels sprouts. We have carrot, and we have potatoes that was given to me by Holly. Thanks, Holly. I will be using those potatoes today, and I'm going to be using some chicken broth, and I have some barbecue sauce, guys. Montana barbecue sauce. Oh, it's going to taste so good. Oh, I love my fridge. But we'll do another review on that later on. So guys, let's get cooking. Cooking the Willie way. I'm hungry. Oh. What a perfect duo. Bluetti meets ICECO. Wow. First thing we gotta do, we have to cut up our vegetables, guys. So I have a carrot, a runaway onion, now I'm just going to cut them up in pieces. There, that's our carrots. Our Brussels sprouts, I'm just going to have them. There. So easy for me to do. Now our potatoes, I'm going to peel these once. And split them in half, guys. This cook is going to be about, this bake cook, my dinner is going to be about hour and a half to 2 hours slow cooking in the Dutch oven. So now, with my leftovers, I can use my ICECO fridge. So nothing will go bad on me. I'm so happy to have that fridge. I'm really, really excited to have it, and I'm going to be really, really excited to review it. I got good news coming up too. I'm going to be doing a little short clip on the good news. So, good news for you guys. There's no one here today to cut my onion, so I'll have to cut it myself. There. Good enough. I got to get another microphone, guys. Another mic. I had a boo-boo the other day using my mic, and oh well, it is what it is. When you use the stuff a lot, sometimes you make boo-boos. So that's my onion. Now, it's time to heat up these coals. So all I I use, guys, to light my coals is paper towel. If you got any old cardboard or anything to put underneath it, you can use. So we'll let that light up until they're white a little bit all around, and then let's start cooking. So our coals looks hot enough, guys. I'm pork tenderloin today. Ah, all right. Let's heat up this Dutch oven. So there. We're just going to heat it up. Oh, the smoke. So, nothing fancy today. Give it about 5 minutes to heat up, and then I'm going to add the some chicken broth and my vegetables and my pork tenderloin, and yeah, it's going to be good and tasty, guys. Let's unwrap this pork tenderloin. Oh, that looks good. Oh, there's a couple of pieces. All right. I'm just gonna score it, guys. Just cut right through it halfway down. All right, I'm gonna add my vegetables first. And spread it out. Now my tenderloin, put it on top of the vegetables. Add my chicken broth just to cover up the vegetables. And now my barbecue sauce. I'm gonna pour it over the pork tenderloin, and I'm gonna put some in the chicken broth as well. Well, there you have it, guys. I'll show you the before, and then of course I'll show you the after. So here is the before, guys. It's ready. Now I gotta put the lid on it, and let's get baking. Well, guys, it's been over an hour and a half since I started baking my dinner, my pork loin, and it's done. So let's have a look, guys. Oh, it looks so good. Let me show you. There we have it. The barbecue sauce is caramelized. It looks so good. Now it's time to plate up my dinner. Oh, let's cut into that pork tenderloin. Let's see how good that is. Oh, it's falling apart, look. It's just falling apart. Oh, oh my goodness. Oh, it smells so good, guys. Oh, I'm just gonna put it all on the plate, one piece. I got lots of leftovers to put in my fridge. Thanks to ICECO fridge. All right. Oh, the carrots are so tender, so soft. The potatoes, oh my goodness. It looks so, so good. Huh. Oh, I gotta get some of that, there. Look at that, guys. My dinner. Pork tenderloin. Yeah, it smells good and it is good. Yes, I am. Willie's Truck Life. Yeah, and if you subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification button, and you may have a chance to win a AC Bluetti Power Bank. Yeah, I'll be putting up a video in the next day or tomorrow about how to win. I already have a little short video out. So guys, yeah. So I just put out a short video. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel, hit the notification button, and you could be the next winner of a giveaway on my channel. So yeah, guys. So yeah, so what's your name? Hi Elizabeth, are you from around here? Well, there you go. Yes, I am. Yes, I do. Yeah, it's a hobby of mine. Yeah. Come over and say hi if you want. Right here. So your name is?
Elizabeth.
Elizabeth. That's nice to meet you, Elizabeth.
Nice to meet you.
So you say you are a Newfoundlander?
I am. I'm a first-generation townie.
First-generation townie, guys. Elizabeth is here on my channel, and I'm just about to... I know it is. Want a little piece? I haven't touched it yet. Here, grab that little piece there. Right? It was falling apart.
Oh my God, that's delicious.
I know. I mean, I never even had a piece yet. But when I took it up, it's very good. So there you have it, guys. Elizabeth rates this, what? A 12 out of 10.
5 thumbs up.
5 thumbs up, guys. So guys, I'm gonna end my video here and say hi to Elizabeth, first generation townie. I gotta try my potatoes now. Guys, I gotta give this recipe a 10 out of 10. Follow my recipe. It's pretty simple, right? So Elizabeth, you can say goodbye to everybody.
Bye everybody.
Good luck on winning the AC180, guys. The video will be up more details on it. So bye everyone. I'm gonna enjoy my dinner. Take care. I love you all. Life is good. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.
Bye.